Okay, so what we're going to look at today is how we can traverse an array and how we can add up the contents of the values in an array. It's something called a running total, and we're going to make use of a for loop to do this today. So what we're going to do is we're going to create an array of numbers. Okay, and as we know from last time, we would do something like this. We create this array of numbers. But I'm going to make it a little bit different today because although I'm going to create an array of numbers, I'm going to make some random numbers. So the easiest way to do that is to import random. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make use of random. So randint 10. What this will do is this will create a random number. And then it will very quickly go around and do the 10 random numbers in this list. It's the advantage of using the for x in range. And I can prove that to you by simply printing the numbers out. So this should be an array of 10 random numbers between 1 and 10. I hope. Or it will crash. It'll be one of those. Okay, fantastic. Yay, it worked. So it created the random numbers. And it's 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 6, 7, 8, 2, and 6. Notice that it's got 1 in there because obviously it's random numbers between 1 and 10. So do that, it doesn't go down to 0 or anything like that. So we have those random numbers, and every time we run this program, we will get a different bunch of random numbers. Okay, and they are random. So you can expect to get things like multiple values of the same one over and over again. You're not going to get the numbers 1 to 10 in a different order. So we want to now add all these numbers up. So we want to create a sum of this. So the way we're going to do that is by simply using the same type used before. So we create a total equals 0. Okay, and we're going to make use of for loop. Now, we don't need the position for this one, so we can actually just make use of for each. So let's just use for each. We don't get an awful lot of chance to use it. So for number in numbers. Okay, and this is a for each, call it the SQA. Okay, for number in numbers, and it's total equals total plus number. Down the bottom here, we can just print the sum of the array is total. There you go. So the sum of that array is 44. So it's created the random numbers. It then goes through each line in turn, extracts the number from the array, so 4. So first time around the loop, this is 0 plus 4. Second round the loop, it's 4 plus 5, which is 9. Third time, it goes 11, then 13, and so on and so forth, until the value of total is 44. And that's how we do a running total inside a loop using an array.